To Baking Relish, where we look at all matters baking. I am your Relish baker, and today I'm pleased to tell you that we are going to bake a peanut butter cake. It's a very simple procedure. The recipe is simple and you just use the ingredients that you have in your kitchen. To start off, we have our flour, 2 cups baking flour, 1 cup sugar. If you don't like a lot of sugar, you can reduce. Half teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and half teaspoon salt. We also have half cup peanut butter, 1 cup milk, 2 eggs and a quarter 2 eggs and quarter cup margarine. As I said, this is a simple procedure. I have my flour. What I'm going to do, I'm going to sieve the 2 teaspoons baking and the half teaspoon baking soda. This is baking powder, baking soda. Just sieve into your baking flour. After you sieve the baking soda and baking powder into your flour, now you add your sugar and your salt and mix very well. You make a well in the center after mixing, and then you add the rest of the ingredients, and with your mixer you just mix up everything. Add the 2 eggs and also your 1 cup milk. Next, you just mix